Welcome, my friends. Have you ever asked yourself what is the purpose of life? Why are people being born on earth and then all of a sudden they leave this earth? What exactly is the purpose of life? Is the purpose of life finding a good job? Is the purpose of life, achieving your career, getting a good education? Is the purpose of life actually having fun with your friends? What exactly is the purpose of life? Eating good food? Is that the purpose of life? Now, my dear wonderful brothers and sisters, I would like to welcome you to this channel. My name is Brother Gabriel Mill. I share the principles of the gospel. Every person as revealed by the prophet of the Lord, the prophet Joseph Smith, and also the gospel as taught by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. I would like you to take a minute with me and just reason out yourself and think and reevaluate what exactly is the purpose. That is why, to answer that question, this is why we are here today. This channel is fully centered in actually helping our brothers and sisters understand and realize what the purpose of life is. My wonderful brothers and sisters, I would like you to join me so that we may actually be a team as we move forward in sharing this glad time. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, a thumbs up, and also hit a bell so that every time I actually upload another video, you'll receive an alert so that we may move together in this wonderful period of sharing the gospel of Jesus Christ. I would like you also to evaluate yourself. Like, were you baptized? And by what authority were you baptized? Does anyone just can baptize? Is everybody actually given a commission to do this? Form any ordinances? The ordinances of the gospel are so required. And who is supposed actually to baptize? And sometimes when you look around, maybe sometimes you find there are so many churches around, and you could be asking yourself, what exactly of all these churches, which one is actually the truth? Which one is that church that Jesus Christ left for his disciples? Now, these are the questions that we do answer in the course of us sharing the videos and sharing the teachings as they revealed by the prophet Joseph Smith, and also teachings as taught in the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Please welcome and God bless you.